Hello everyone. Today in this video, we will discuss the important topic of SEO for family law. Family SEO is integral in ranking the law firm's website on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. So are you ready to take your law firm business to the next level? If yes, deep dive in. Before we start, let's find out what SEO is for family law. It is an SEO strategy that allows the law website to improve its online visibility in organic search engine results. SEO for family law is an incredibly powerful technique that drives organic traffic to the law website. Best ways to improve the SEO for a family law website. Here are some of the concrete steps every law firm business must follow to rank their website on SERPs. Insert high search volume keywords in the content. Keywords act as a linchpin of any successful SEO strategy. The group or words or phrases must be included in the content to show up on SERPs. For that, identify keywords relevant to the business and use them properly in the content to attract high-quality visitors. Invest in local SEO for family law. Begin your efforts by optimizing your website for local SEO. However, to ensure your law firm ranks on SERPs, notify Google about your firm with local SEO. Set up Google My Business profile. If you don't have one, create it right now to inform your potential audience about your existence. But make sure all the information you offer is correct and consistent in all web properties. Build an engaging and powerful law website. Website is the first and foremost thing your potential audience will see when they decide to take your law services. So, ensure they get a great impression of your law site by updating it. Easily navigable and speedy. Publish compelling content. Blogging is another great effort that can easily attract almost 3 times more traffic than other strategies. So, create helpful, high-quality content for your readers and quickly grow the family law firm. In a nutshell, follow these SEO family law techniques, which will enhance online visibility, attract more clients, and grow your law firm with high profit. If you found this video useful and are getting positive results, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching.